welcome to my channel Defabulicious. Today I am doing a very simple everyday look that you all can carry for office and work. If you find this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. I always start with a light moisturizer as I have oily skin. Applying the Nivea soft light moisturizer and massaging it gently with my fingers. For my eyebrows, I am using the Loreal Brow Pomade in the shade Brunette. For my everyday look, I don't go for very bold eyebrows. Prefer to keep them light and natural. With small gentle strokes, I am filling in my eyebrows. I usually take a little more time for my eyebrows. To conceal my under eyes, I am using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. It's a full coverage concealer and covers the pigmentation very well. I am also using it for spot concealing. Now blending it nicely with a beauty blender. If I don't wear any foundation, I always prefer wearing this concealer. Blending it nicely. For the compact, I am using the Sugar Cream Cover Mattifying Compact. It's a very long wearing compact and one of my favorite compact as it needs very few touch-ups. Applying the Maybelline New York Colossal liner. I always prefer pen liners for my everyday use as they are very easy to use and need very less effort. Now curling my eyelashes. For coating my eyelashes, I am using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, a waterproof mascara and can be worn all day long. I am also applying it in my lower lashes. For my lips, I am using the Sugar Smudge Mini Liquid Lipstick in the shade Nude by Nude. I always prefer long wearing lipsticks on everyday basis as you don't need to apply them again and they can be worn for a very long time. So this is how I do my simple everyday makeup.